Hi, Blogger users. We have good news for you. Now, you can create quizzes on Google Spreadsheet and embed and display the interactive quiz on the Blogger site very easily. Your quiz can have image, video and text. Let me show you how easy it is to create it on Google Sheet and then publish on Blogger. Step 1. Open your Google Sheet and install GS2 Web SAS. After the installation, go to the GS2 Web SAS add-on and click Login. Input your login credentials, and click the Sign In button. Next, click Create Quiz under the Quiz menu. Give a subject name in the pop-up window. Now, fill quiz title, quiz contents and quiz featured image. Next, select question type, like text, image, video and multiple correct, fill in the blanks etc. We have filled the questions and options. If you want to place an image in quiz, fill the URL column for the image and video quiz. Fill the correct answer column with correct answer text. Put the number of marks in the score column. Now, you can set optional field question categories, like simple, medium or tough. This is optional. If you want to explain the correct answer or wrong answer, fill the correct or wrong answer explanation column. Want a timer for quiz? Then set time for each question in the time column. If you want to enable negative marking for every wrong answer, tick the negative column checkbox. And fill the negative value in the negative point column. Finally, publish the quiz by clicking the Publish button under the Quiz menu. Next, find out the quiz app link by clicking the Get Quiz link under the Quiz menu. On the link page, you will get hyperlinks. Now, go to the Blogger dashboard and create a new post or edit an old one. Paste your iframe code or full URL in your blog post. Then, publish your post. That's it. You have successfully published the quiz in your quiz post. Note that you can collect users' name and email ID by our lead generation form, which will pop up at the end of the quiz. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for upcoming updates for GS2 Web SAS.